In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe to your Shopify store. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or adding a new payment method, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, head over to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Next, select Payments. This section is where you manage all the payment methods available on your Shopify store. Inside the Payment section, look for the option that says Choose a provider or Add payment method. Click on it to continue. Now, use the search bar and type Stripe. Once Stripe appears in the list of payment providers, click on it. You'll now be asked to connect your Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account, simply sign in with your credentials. If you don't have one yet, click on the option to create a new Stripe account and follow the setup instructions. After signing in, Stripe will ask you to authorize the connection with Shopify. Review the details carefully and approve the connection. Once the setup is complete, Stripe will be added as a payment provider on your Shopify store. You can then customize your payment settings and test the checkout process to make sure everything is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully added Stripe to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.